Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Cargo Collective, a website builder known for its unique, artistic and minimalist designs. So before we dive into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description to explore Cargo Collective and see if it is the right fit for your website needs. First, we need to understand what is Cargo Collective. So Cargo Collective is a website builder, as I said earlier, and a portfolio platform that is designed for creative designers and artists. It offers customizable templates, a simple interface, and powerful design tools to showcase your work professionally. Now, here, if I talk about the pros, the things that I like about this website is that it has creative and unique templates. You can see for yourself that on the website there is a perfect for these types of templates are actually perfect for the portfolios and visual projects. The templates are also very easy to use. The interface is also very easy to use. There is no requirement of coding. You can just use these templates and build your website. The pricing for this website is also very affordable. It is cheaper than some other competitors. It has the built-in e-commerce, so you can basically sell your products and digital content directly. Now, if I talk about the cons, so I would say that this particular website builder is limited for the large businesses. It is best for personal projects and small portfolios. So if you are a creative professional looking for a stylish, easy to use website builder with affordable pricing and unique design options, Cargo Collective is a fantastic choice. It is perfect for artists, photographers and designers who want to showcase their work beautifully. Again, if you want to check it out, you can just take a look at the discount link in the description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next